Hi there folks, and welcome to this week's Bit Solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 141. In a wee town in northern France, they're actually bringing out a fine for prolonged or repeated barking from dogs presumably. So first of all, we've been asked how much is this fine in pounds and pence? Well, it's €68, and in order to change foreign currency back into pounds, we divide by the exchange rate. So in this case we'd be dividing by 1.14, and obviously because it's money we have to round to two decimal places, so that's a fine of £59.65. So in part B we're asked, would $70 be enough to pay the fine with? You must give a reason for your answer. So we're going to have to change this pounds into dollars. So to change pounds into foreign currency, we multiply by the exchange rate. So in this case we'd be multiplying by 1.29. So that gives us an answer of $76.95. So no, it would not be enough to pay the fine with, because 70 is less than $76.95. So that moves us on to our next story now. So in News 24, a newsagent in Glasgow, I think it's just the one beside Central Station, they're selling off cans of the original Iron Brew for £3.99 per can. So how much more expensive is this than the cans that you can get just now in Sainsbury's? Well, in Sainsbury's it's £2 for a pack of four, so to work out the cost of one can, it's the cost divided by the number of cans, and that's going to be 50 pence. So it's going to be more expensive by £3.99, take away 50 pence, but it's more expensive by £3.49 a can. We knew it was dear, but when you see it like that, we can see just how much dearer it is. So how much money will the shop owner make if she manages to sell all these remaining cans? Well, 60 cases with 24 cans in each case means that it's going to be 1,440 cans in total. And if we sell each of them for £3.99, we can multiply to find that she stands to make £5,745.60. So I think all we can say in that case is best of luck to her. Okay, so onto our science story. So we've got Opportunity rover. It's finally died after 15 years of reconnaissance work on Mars. So how many days did the Opportunity rover take to arrive in the moon? So it departed on the 7th of July and arrived on the 25th of January. So 31 take away 7, that's 24 days left in July, plus 31 for the whole of August, plus 30 for September according to the rhyme, plus 31 for October, 30 for November, 31 for December, and then another 25 in January. Add all that up, we get 202 days. Now, what was the average speed of it when it was travelling to the moon? Well, speed, of course, is distance divided by time. The distance it gives us, but the time which we've worked out is going to have to be in hours, because then we'll get the speed in kilometres per hour. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the number of days into hours by multiplying by 24, because there's 24 hours in a day. So we're going to be dividing by 4,848. That comes to 79.5 kilometres per hour. So for part C, how much ground on Mars did the Opportunity rover cover after its 15-year stay? Well, 3 kilometres a year for 15 years would be 3 times 15, which is 45 kilometres of ground. Not quite Millennium Falcon stats here, but a job well done, I'm sure. Okay, so on to our environment story. So unbelievably, tourists have been banned from the base camp in Mount Everest because of the high volume of rubbish being left, and of course the temperature and the high altitude, it makes it very difficult to clean up all that rubbish. So 25 tonnes of rubbish every month. How many grams of rubbish is this per year? So we can work out the number of tonnes per year by multiplying 25 by 12, and that's going to give you a number of tonnes per year. So to change the grams, we can change the kilograms first of all by multiplying by 1,000, and then we can change the kilograms into grams by multiplying by another 1,000. So it gives you this big long answer here, which we have to write in words. So this is units, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions. So this is going to be 300, and then all of this bit stands for million. So 300 million tons of grams of rubbish left at the base of Mount Everest every year. A staggering amount, I'm sure we'll agree. Okay, guys, so that was our Word Solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 141. We hope you got an okay with these. Stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.